Alright, I'm gonna open this. Open it. Okay, ready? Set. Dun 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 dun! Dun 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 dun! Dun 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 dun! This is so much cooler than a PlayStation. But hashtag Team Xbox, y'all. Comment down below if you are all about either the Xbox Series S, which is this bad girl, or the Xbox Series X. Okay. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Just Xbox. Alright, so here, this is the console. It says, power your dreams. This is light compared to other consoles I've had. This is so light. I can put... If I was back in high school, not that I'm recommending this, I will sneak this and put it in my book bag and like play during gym. So here's the console. It comes with a getting started manual. I'm gonna take everything out because I want to see everything. Ha 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 ha! I knew that was just testing you. Okay. This is the HDMI wire. It has 2 ports in it. Okay. Oh! This connects the console. Alright. I got this. So, here's a manual. Does anybody even read manuals anymore? I will sit here and read it because I'm just that geeky. I'm that smart tech. Alright, tech family. Alright. ¡Qué lindo! ¡Uy, look how small! I swear, this is like the Nintendo Mini, but the Xbox version. Look how small! ¡Qué lindo! Look at her! Yes, it's a her. Deal with it. Because it's Xbox Series S for sexy. Look how beautiful she is. And look, no letters. No triangle. Why? Because this is common sense. Mira, X, A, B, X. Oh, mira que lindo. It presses in. It got the menu. Wait. This is how I gotta test it. I gotta do the test. Did you hear that? That's like, you beat me, I'm gonna get you. Ah! So, okay. You know, I'm clicking it and I just feel like playing right now. Okay, so this is your RBs, RB, your B's on the top, the T's on the bottom, LT, RT. It's kind of silent. Hold on. It's very quiet. Like normally when I click the back, you hear the click, 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 and people be like, "Dang, relax with the remote," and I'll be like, "I'm trying to win." Come at me, bro. That's what I'm gonna say. What else is in here? I can't see. Ha! Ha ha ha! Yes! Let's see how she really looks. It's wrapped up perfectly like Christmas. It feels like Christmas, y'all. Oh. So it's like a speaker. Like, I know it sounds so crazy, but it looks like dun, 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 dun. Like, I just feel like this is 1980s and this is my boombox, and I'm just like, this is so cool. So it has the big speaker here. Oh, look, mira que lindo. Air vents. So it looks like you can put it this way, which is nice and cool. But to make it more cool, I'm just gonna stand it like ah, look how pretty. Look at this. Look at this. She's so pretty. Alright, y'all. She's small. She's like, I wonder if she's the size, comparing this like the size of one of my textbooks. And look at the back, in case you want to know, like, oh, let me see how it looks in the back. Here we go. So we got Ethernet port. You have 2 USB ports, an HDMI out port, a storage expansion. Okay. And then, you know, here's where you charge, where you connect it to turn it on and all that stuff. So I am going to take a few minutes to not cry, but to connect this, and then I will show you guys my first reaction to connecting this. She's so beautiful. I just love it. Like, hey girl, Susie the white girl. Okay, here we go. You got another USB port here. Checked. You hear that? Y'all know. Which is better than that PlayStation stuff, because I remember you put your hand like this by accident, or where you can clean it and the thing would turn on. But this, she's just perfect. Look at this. Hashtag Team Xbox, y'all. Xbox Series S. Woo! Look at that. And look at her little logo icon. She looks so small and cute. I can carry her. And I love the way that she matches perfectly. Now, let's go over shock blue color Mr. Console remote. Alright, here we go. So this is the Xbox shock blue. Alright, it's actually blue with the original white piece in the back, which is cool. So we're gonna show you. Ready? Dun 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 dun! Dun 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 dun! Dun dun dun! Yo, isn't she? I love the presentation of both boxes, to be honest. She's just so beautiful. Blue is my favorite color. And it does have the AA batteries on the bottom. Okay, you know, you connect it right here. But comparing the clicking, I'm just gonna compare the clicking. They both are so, it's so quiet. You ever wanted to play in the middle of the night and didn't want your remotes to click, 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 so that way like your parents don't scream at you in the middle of the night? Like, this is perfect. Like, I love it. I love it. Let me see. Oh, that made a little noise. Compare this. Oh no, it's the same thing. Okay. And look, this blue, it looks like a royal blue on the box, but this is kind of like periwinkle blue. if you know what it is. It's like purplish blue. But it has all the buttons. You got your Xbox button. Yeah, I like that. Like, I'm gonna beat you. It's great. I love that. Love it, love it, love it. Okay. So obviously, Ray can play with the original. I'm gonna play with Bluebird over here. Yes, her name is Bluebird. So that's that. Then we have the rechargeable battery here. I'm so disappointed. Like, UPS needs to get it together on how they brought my stuff. Like, got the battery here. Type-C wire. So, you're gonna put the battery back here. Beep. And then the Type-C wire goes here. Beep. And then you play it. You can play with it, connect it, or you can like disconnect it. Whichever way is possible. Me, I hate wires, which is why I love this, because then this is gonna last longer than a regular AA battery. So it's just gonna time to play, and it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be great. All right, so I'm just gonna move this to the side. All right, it says like a dragon. I just picked whatever games I thought looked cool online. I try to be very transparent and just, you know, pick any games just to try it because it's a new system and I love it, and I just wanted to pick it, to be honest. So this says Yakuza Like a Dragon. You have to be 17 and older. It says Legends costume sets adds 8 legendary costumes for your party. Rise like a dragon. It says Ichiban Kasuga is left on the brink of death by the man he trusted the most. He sets out to discover the truth behind the betrayal. Ooh, betrayal. Yes. Drawing a ragtag group of outcasts to his side, together they must rise to become the heroes that they never expected to be. I don't know if you can see it, but the pictures, it literally look like movie scenes. So I know that the graphics on the Xbox Series S is also perfect for especially this new 65-inch TV we got for it. So it's gonna be awesome. So as you can see here, and this is 4K Ultra HD. So it's so great. This one is Watch Dogs Legion, is 4K Ultra HD, HDR. Anyone can be your weapon. That's interesting. That's an interesting concept. It says it's time to take back London, and anyone you can see can be recruited to your resistance. So all the characters are playable in the game. So that's great. You can weaponize technology, build your resistance, a massive open world in London. So this seems to be awesome. Another movie scenes, it looks like an actual movie, so I don't want to confuse it for an actual movie, but it looks awesome. And this one, your girl loves Assassin's Creed. I just love it. I love the hoodie. I love the everything, the suspense. I love it. I love it. Okay? So, Assassin's Creed Valhalla. Become a legendary Viking raider. Lead epic raids, grow your clan settlement, and build your political power on a quest for glory. Yes. So, do I love this? This is like my favorite. Forget the other games. This is my favorite. Maybe My next one that I'm getting is Mortal Kombat. But that's another story. That's another story. Y'all not ready for that one. But this one, perfect. So, this was my first unboxing of the Xbox Series S. I hope I didn't disappoint my tech family. Hashtag Team Yolanda. Hashtag Xbox, because this is awesome. It's just loving it. Don't forget to like, comment below, hashtag Team Yolanda, hashtag Xbox, okay? And right below, comment below if you want to see more unboxing videos like this. Also, don't forget to hit that notification button so you can get more videos like this, because there's going to be more unboxing of more consoles and more Xbox stuff, because you know, Xbox. Don't forget to click that YouTube notification button, and best of all, don't forget to give a post notification shout out. If you want to be shouted out on our next video, let us know. I want to be shouted out. We love you. Peace. Tech family.